What's up, guys? We got another vlog coming up here soon. Just got another car in. This one's a Subaru WRX that was involved in a tree incident. As you can see, point of contact. Windshield's pretty much blown in. The roof took a shot. Door. Broken glass everywhere. Got some damage on the quarter panel. Little thing right there. Fortunately, it missed the carbon trunk, which is good. It's a nice trunk too. Got the nice duckbill on it, CSL style. It's got some nice taillights. But yeah, so this will be coming up. See the branches still left on it. But we're gonna be tearing this thing down, getting the glass taken out, and then getting the roof repaired. And we will keep this process documented. So just wanted to give you guys a little update, show you what we're about to be working on.